If you want to become a lawyer but you don't have and you're not intending to get a law degree, the good news is that it is completely possible. In this video, I'm going to take you through the constituent parts, the stages of the CILEX program, which is increasingly popular as a route into law for non-law graduates in the UK. So let's start with what is CILEX. Well, CILEX is the Chartered Institute of Legal Executives, and it offers a professional qualification route to becoming a legal executive and later on a fully qualified solicitor. Depending at what stage you begin the program, and we'll come to this later, you can earn while you learn, avoid the massive debt of getting a university degree, and become specialized in a niche area of your choice all through the CILEX program. So unlike the traditional university route, CILEX is flexible, more affordable, and career focused. It's also open to people of all ages, from school leavers to career changers. So now let's go through the 3 stages of the CILEX route and who each one is for. So you start with the foundation stage, and this is mainly for people who have not got any experience with the law. So we're talking specifically about school leavers and career changers here. It's designed to give you an overview of the basics. So you'll cover contract law, legal systems, and legal research. That should give you the confidence to go out and take part in any entry-level legal role. The second stage is the advanced stage. And this is for those who have already come into contact with the law throughout their education or have completed the foundational level. It's designed to build on your skills and knowledge in more complex areas, so it covers property, litigation, and client care. At this stage, CILEX students are often working in a legal support role alongside their studies. Once the advanced stage is complete, you move on to the final and professional stage. This final stage prepares you to become a fully qualified CILEX lawyer. You'll specialize in one area of law, so for example, crime or family or conveyancing, and you'll work on building a portfolio to show your expertise. Once this is completed, you will be able to practice independently in your area of specialization. Now let's go back to the basics for a minute and have a look at what a legal executive actually does. A CILEX legal executive does many of the things that a qualified solicitor would do, such as advising clients and representing them in court if authorized to do so, drafting legal documents, and managing cases. Many legal executives work for law firms or in-house for companies or part of government bodies. And over time, CILEX legal executives can move up into senior roles, become partners at law firms, and even apply to become judges in court. Now let's talk about the good stuff, and that's what you can earn as a legal executive. Of course, salaries are going to depend on experience, location, and specialization. Generally, we expect entry-level legal support staff to earn around £20,000 to £25,000. Then qualified CILEX legal executives can expect, again, depending on those factors, between £35,000 and £55,000, with that being pushed up to upwards of £70,000 for those with specializations that are particularly desirable. And then perhaps you might work in a big law firm in a big city in commercial law, and that could see you go even higher into the 6-figure range. And of course, remember, all of this comes without the £50,000 minimum of student debt associated with a law degree. So in addition to this, why you might want to consider this route is, of course, the flexibility, the ability to work and earn during your qualification, the availability of specialization so early in the qualification is another thing that is particularly appealing to people who already know what area they might want to work in, whether that is commercial to get that really high salary, or whether you prefer to work in something that you might find a bit more rewarding. And then, of course, there is this directness that is associated with the CILEX qualification. The route to becoming a legal executive is very clear, and there is a set time frame provided you meet all the exam requirements, and that's really appealing for people who are looking to put a time frame and a timeline on their qualification and their ability to get working in the legal industry. So can you become a lawyer in the UK without a legal degree? Well, of course the answer, as we've seen, is yes, and many thousands have, and many more thousands are applying to and joining the CILEX qualification route as we speak. The growth in recent years has continued to trend upwards as this becomes more popular. If you would like to consider or talk to someone about this route, then I recommend you follow the link in the description to our website, as we sub-provide for the CILEX body. So that means that we provide materials and support to students, a little bit extra of both of those, to students to help them pass their exams more quickly and more easily, and to get to the destination as soon as possible. So to find out more, follow the link, as I say, and have a word with one of our team members. They're all lovely, and I'm sure they'll be absolutely willing to help you out on this. Otherwise, make sure to check out our YouTube, as there's lots more content on CILEX, what's included, what you can expect from the route on there. And if you found this useful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.